Hey guys, we're going somewhere. We're going somewhere. Guess where we're going?
To a hotel.
Yeah, that's where we're going. Get your stuff, go in. As always, we have our food. We got our other food, and got my luggage over there.
Oh my god.
Okay, yeah, swimming time. Woohoo! Be strong, yeah, because the door's kind of hard. There it is. Whoa.
Oh, this is actually kind of disturbing.
This is it. Eight. Wow.
Now who would leave a PS4 here?
Wow, that's probably the ocean view, the only ocean view we have. PS4, or is that a PS4? I don't know if it's a PS4. TV. Woo. Oh, this is nice.
The door's still open.
Yeah, that's okay. Oh, the bathroom is nice.
This isn't old.
No, it's nice.
Oh.
Nice bathroom. This is the food area. South. Bam. Woo. Yeah. All done. Very shy. Mahal naman. Nag-vlogging ka?
Hindi.
Oh.
I feel like I'm tourist.
Look at the kids I got. Ooh, hey Chaz. Hi Liam. Hi Liam.
Hi.
Hi Abby.
I'm grabbing my teddy. Got my teddy.
My teddy, getting all ready to play.
What are we playing?
Do.
Do? It's DOS.
Oh, dos.
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 Where are we going?
The pool.
Where are we going?
Pool.
Okay, explain.
These
What did you just say?
things are bad.
How do you know? Then they should take it down, right?
Yeah. They're infinity. It means infinity demons.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Let's. They just remove the knot.
Can we just jump from the stairs? Looks like you guys are gonna leave. Yeah? It looks like you guys are gonna leave, yeah?
No. rest. Press all of them.
Looks like a Christmas tree.
Say hi, Leia. Just about to get Leia's ready for swimming. I found her bathing suit. Leia, you gonna jump off, Leia? Yeah, jump. We just got out of the pool. Leia used her regular clothes, but I was told from my sister-in-law that we can try to ask to see if we could retrieve her bathing suit from the roof. So let's try it. Hi, I had a question. I was wondering if I'm on the 8th floor here, and my daughter's bathing suit fell off of the balcony onto the roof area here on this side. I'm not too sure.
What color is that?
It's black with neon blue and green. I do see it on top of the roof next to a bunch of like bottles, plastic bottles that the wind drew it all together all at once. So I see it, but I don't know how. I was wondering, is there a possibility if we could retrieve it?
I sent someone going to the rooftop to retrieve it.
I'm sorry?
We will send someone going to try to retrieve it. Anything else?
Oh, you guys charge to retrieve?
We will trying to retrieve it for you.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank
Bye.
you. Okay, bye-bye.